Hi guys, this is Wana from Midnight Mouse, and today we're having a special unboxing. And this is my Pam Pam first smart doll. I was so eager to receive her, and I'm so happy that she came. It was a very long waiting. Let's see. Here she is, the beautiful bag. Oh, this is such a good quality. So thick, you guys. It's beautiful. Let's start with the accessory box first. Here it is. I just have the basic accessories, and I only purchased a bodysuit in cinnamon. You'll see my doll is in cinnamon, and I just, since it's such a light color for the skin, I would like to protect that of any stains. I think I would go crazy if I get stains on her. So here are the accessories. We have her beautiful blonde wig, the bodysuit that I just mentioned, which is solely for protection, her stand. Oh, I'm so curious how this works. Oh, and a very beautiful card. Oh, I love all of them. I would like to have them one day. And here we have some guidance on how to take care of the dolls. And here she is. As you may see, we have Onward in cinnamon. Oh, and she's on the new frame. Since it's my first smart doll, I'm not able to compare with the previous one. I don't know how the feeling of that one is. But oh, we'll see how this one is. Oh, she's so big. She's so big, she's about 60 centimeters. And so much lighter than a BJD. She's beautiful. Oh, she's so beautiful. And the head cap is soft, and I think you can put magnets, or at least, yeah, if you would like to, you can put magnets. And let's take her out of the body bag. Oh, you guys, she's so big and beautiful. I love the details. And she clicks. She actually clicks when you move the joints. Same for the legs. Wow, this is amazing, and holds the pose. Oh, I really like it. Her body is very beautiful. She has lots of details, which I really love. And her lingerie, it's beautiful. Let's see, we can rotate, lift the arm. Oh wow, she can, oh, the double joint is hidden. Wow. She's amazing. I think I have to, okay, that's how it's done. Her hands are gorgeous and soft. Oh, we can move the hands, okay, now I get it. She also has a torso joint She has lots of movement. I did not know what to expect of, although I watched so many videos about smart doors and smart doors unboxings, but the real feel is much different. Her bust is soft and her belly is harder, same as the rest of the body. I like the squishy bust. I think this is because it allows much more movement, being from a softer vinyl. She doesn't have nipples, unfortunately, but I can pass that. And let's see her head movement. Oh, lots of that. And she's so beautiful. I really love her makeup and beautiful blue eyes. Oh, the sculpt is G7. I don't want to open her head right now. Might take me quite some time to put it back, but I will try to put her wig. Such a beautiful wig. Oh, and it's so soft. Okay, I managed to put her wig, same as any other PJD. Wasn't a big struggle as I expected. I will fluff her hair a bit and see how she looks after. Actually, this is not fluffing, this is just all over the place, being all over the place. She has beautiful curls. I love them. And I love the color of the hair. Honestly, it's my first blonde doll. She will be my first. Yeah, I'll have to work a bit with her hair. But yeah, you can see her now. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's amazing. Thank you, Danny, so much for this wonderful doll. She will be my desk buddy, actually. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.